So, peeps, how many times have you walked down Shad Thames in the shadow of Tower Bridge and walked past this little gate there? Yeah, let's check it out. See what we can see Sunday afternoon. Windy. So this is now a bit. Down the stairs. Be careful how you tread. The tide's in. But let's see what we can see. Okay, you ready for it? You ready? And bam! Not a bad view, eh? Not a bad view at all. Completely different angle, and one that I'm sure hundreds, if not thousands of people miss when they walk by Shad Thames. So, little recap. Back up the stairs. I don't think this is open all the time, so you have to come when it's open. Look at the views that you get. Another angle of the Shard. Get a view of the city. People coming over the bridge. That's a bit of history behind it. Not a public highway. So we do this at our own risk. So I'm doing it during the day where it's bright, so I can see where I'm going. Let's get back down the stairs. So this is the name of the stairs. Forcing down old stairs. When the gate's closed, that's what you're looking for. Here we are. So look out for this. No, because you're right opposite. No advertising, but a well-known coffee shop. So there you go. So next time you're down this way, have a little peep. Ciao for now.